This is the ride of shame. We're leaving our cars here. All right, guys, we're doing a little bit of off-roading. It just rained about 2 hours ago. Ew. Oh shit. No.
There you go.
Speed. It's the speed. Yeah. Getting a little frisky here. Phew. Oh shit. Yeah, this is I don't think this is the move.
Yeah, yeah. Because over here it's just a little higher. So just start crossing. It's not. Well, if it's steep, I'll tell you. You good? You good? Up. Woo! Heck yeah.
We're pretty deep on this trail, and it's turning into a little bit of a river, like a little bit of a forest, if you could call it that. There's a little cactus right there. We got Louis behind. Leader.
Yeah.
This is where you got stuck?
Yeah, that's where I got stuck. Was this where you got stuck last night? Yeah, so remember the rope stop? Yeah, that's right. But you went yeah, I was trying to reverse back out. And
Start bringing some freaking garden tools.
that would tires.
Yeah, it gets narrow.
Oh yeah, look, that's where I stopped. That tree. I hit the tree.
Oh, you hit the tree?
Yeah. I couldn't go any farther.
Maybe we could pull it out or something?
We'll bring I'll bring a freaking
chainsaw?
Yeah, chainsaw next time.
Yeah, there's like, I mean,
like coyote shit or something like that.
Oh.
Yeah. That is on.
No.
Yeah, what is that?
Coyote,
Beans? It's coyote, yeah.
Yeah, it's gotta be coyote.
The hell are they getting the beans from?
I know. What the fuck? Probably run into one right now.
I think this is where the coyotes hang out. Another
I
one
think
right
so, yeah. I think so.
Probably a nest somewhere, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Blair Witch?
Does this keep going? Yeah, it definitely does.
Going. I mean,
This is some like heavy territory right here, bro. We got some bamboo going.
even that river crossing.
Yeah.
Just make a little trail for the build rocks. True. So nobody gets stuck.
All right, we're headed back now, on our way back, but we devised a plan to come back and just make a trail, finish off that trail that we saw. And yeah, we're probably gonna bring a chainsaw, some gardening tools, and do what we need to do to just make that trail open again. By the title and the thumbnail, you already know what happened, and that was the original plan, but us getting stuck definitely prolonged this. So super excited for that. I'm even just super excited to be here, bro. It's really cool being with the homies and just fucking trailblazing, bro. This is awesome. I think Luis got stuck. Oh, I could have gone this way.
All the gas is leaking that way.
Oh.
Oh, so we gotta stand over here?
Hey, is it in neutral? Is it in drive? Luis is gonna go ahead. Yeah, it's pouring now. Give it the beans! Like butter. Yo, these are the fucking biggest raindrops that I've experienced. Yo, it's fucking pouring. Holy shit. Yo, we might have to go to that bucket, bro, because I don't think we're gonna cross that river. Which one? The one where we went down the first, like, that shit's probably full.
What's over there, bro? Once you go over that thing?
Guys, it was freaking hailing right now. That was some freaking heavy rain. I think that's probably the heaviest rain I've ever been in, honestly. Hold on, see what's going on. Woo! Alright, Luis is up. We're going back this way? Alright. Flash flood.
Any trail. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much in general. That was all hill. You're getting dug in.
We were talking about earlier, we need...
At this point, yeah, you can just take anywhere, I think. As long as we just like head towards that direction, we'll find a path. Yeah.
We were talking earlier with Luis, we should get radios.
Yeah, I got one.
Oh yeah?
You have one?
Nah.
I have one. You guys can get a CB radio and we can... Oh. Oh, that is good. You're fucking tired, that was stuck.
Quick update, Luis got stuck, so he's getting pulled out right now. that's where we're at. We'll get out. Flat. This is the ride of shame. We're leaving our cars here. We'll be back tomorrow.
Well, I'm ahead a little bit, huh?
Huh?
I'm ahead of you.
Oh yeah. The ride of shame.